First of all, that's what stunt doubles are for, to replace the main stuntman when he's unavailable. Secondly,
You have a mustache. Ostaba,
but why a red one?
because I want it to be incognito, so maybe they wouldn't notice.
That's how it is, Stabush. Greetings. The guy's a poor thing because he's on vacation, so A, he's not here anymore, but B, he's on vacation. As Christoph says, his diskette popped out, or maybe his disc, and the guy can't move. I'll tell you this, because for the first time,
Well, I actually don't even know what I'm gonna do today.
we're starting this series for the first time because it could be awesome. We'll try putting things in that aren't meant for the air fryer.
The regular ones for the air fryer?
We'll put it in for 15 minutes at 230 degrees, crank it up, and we'll watch.
Should we crank it up before that?
230 degrees, since we have 15 minutes to speed it up, this is the longest intro.
All right, tell me what we can choose from.
Exactly, that's the key word. It's what you want.
All right, then I would definitely like to. After returning from vacation, I ate instant soups. Now I want to try making them in the air fryer.
But how? Just fry the boulder?
I don't know yet.
That's exactly what I'm wondering. If you make meat dumplings in such a way that they'll be crispy inside, the meat will cook, release its fat into the dumpling, not into the water.
That's the second guess, but
Okay, I've got the dumplings.
I don't know what this is, to be honest with you, this packaging, but maybe if you know, then you know.
Awesome, we've got two because I wanted one too.
All right,
Listen, these are ready-made mixes for waffles, and you just add milk here, boom, and pour it into the waffle maker. These are ready-made potato pancakes, so once it's empty, we can make them.
that's great. It's dessert. I believe in potato pancakes.
Great, I'll take waffles. I have two. The third is for Krzysztof.
That's it. That's the third one. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, then I'll be the one cooking.
Rice too.
I'll choose the cucumber, feeling green.
Here's the plan. I'm not backing out. I'll take the roasted one, the earth one, and green too. Hey, we've actually got a good remix. When you buy avocados, how do you check if they're good? Oh, that's already going to rot. See the brown?
You know,
You see the brown?
all of it.
Well, when it's nice and greenish like that, it will ripen at home. But look, now when I cut it, you see 5 ways to have fun and learn. All right, and now I put it in like this, Christoph. This goes into the avocado, this goes into the avocado, this goes into the air fryer. All right, Christoph, hey, you're cucumbers, you're fun. I don't know how you play with cucumbers every day. Why did you reveal the ending? Is there an issue with it?
Yeah, I don't like it, all right? So now here's the thing. Marcin, are we putting the whole sweet potato cucumber in, or are we slicing it?
With all due respect, you chose this. You must have some kind of concept.
This goes here, that goes there.
And this goes like this, that goes like this.
That will be fine as a spare?
If you want, we'll take it, split it in half and slice it. Maybe we'll get great chips from it.
No,
All right then.
that's how it is. Oh, so we have 3 out of 4. We have a whole cucumber, a peeled cucumber, the skin and slices, everything. So, yo,
I wasn't afraid you would do it.
click. But the fortress.
We want to make a discovery. Even if we don't make it, don't worry. We have the book, Lobaben. We'll tell you about it later or maybe now, depending on how it's going.
I recommend it because it's nice, beautiful, useful, and most importantly, a legit and cool ebook.
I have the last 9 minutes.
We'll test yours, but I'll be done. Like nothing, just as if you were in the desert.
Hey, but look at these. I feel like they'll ripen much faster.
The oil is burning, it's burning.
But it smells like burnt electronics. But the cucumber, hey, I swear, maybe water, a burnt processor.
Yeah, the processor,
All right, mix it. Let's see what happens. Okay, it looks nice, but it might be delicious.
well, it has to go differently.
Now that we have these ingredients, mine includes wheat flour, sugar, powdered eggs, vanilla sugar, baking powder, starch, corn, lemon, sodium, possibly a thickener, and garnet. There aren't many ingredients. Now I need to add more. Here, add some milk. And
And I add water.
beautiful, beautiful. The waffles smell amazing, beautiful. Kuba, look, it's not even like waffle batter.
Hey, I can really feel it. Like if you close your eyes, I swear you'd feel it too. We should call Primož because look.
Wait, I'll close my eyes.
So what do you feel?
How nice, onion.
Yeah, it's nice.
But with spices.
Already fried.
It's a cold gray pancake, but once aired out, it tastes better than just fried flavor. All right, I poured as much as the producer wanted. My avocado says, and wait, I forgot to remove the pit.
You didn't take it out?
Some kind of skin has formed.
Something swelled up. Hey, the second one went.
If you plant avocados without pits, pits will form in the air fryer.
Rebirth?
Rebirth, attention, are you here? Attention, are you here? I hope the local food spots are open and we'll get a job.
Hey, what a surprise.
I'm taking it out. Let's not waste time. Pour yours in and mix it since it's nothing special. Kuba, I'm pouring it in now. We'll make one waffle like this to see if it's okay. Pour it thicker. You've never seen such sadness before. It made a frame from them, if that's enough for the middle.
So look, wait, you're right. Because if anything was missing, we would have had this for the photo.
We have it now, which is great since we work so well together. Krzysiek, yes, that's what we eat and have. Then we take it out and throw it in.
And I'd start with yours because yours might have already cooled down.
That's beautiful.
Hey, eat.
Look, the skin is still hot and comes off beautifully. Don't you dream that it got an awesome color?
I don't, but it seems to me.
You do that. Disclaimer, Krzyku, handle it yourself.
After all, yes, you probably already know this, but for those who don't, I can't see colors. I don't see in black and white like a dog, but I don't see those saturated colors. I don't have, as they say.
I mean, I don't know what you don't have.
I don't have it. Green and red together, okay.
We have Krzyku here, bit by bit.
Let's try it. I've never had it alone, always with something else, usually chicken.
It's something different, meaty.
Yeah, chicken from broth.
That kind of chicken from broth, I can't call it any better. Krzyku, it's chicken from broth.
It's like eating leftovers. The texture always freaks me out, Wakalo.
But I wanted to say that the texture is like an overcooked potato.
Hey, what if we added some salt?
Then it's already part of the meal, like the potato was next to the chicken stew, and you just mashed it like that. Let's see the one that wasn't opened. As they say in the breading, hey!
This is an even livelier color.
But cool.
And it's just cut in half.
What a soft pit it cooked. We eat it, but I wonder if you can get poisoned. Has anyone eaten an avocado pit?
Hey, but the lemon tastes like ginger.
Ginger, bitterness all at once.
What's this made of? That's amazing.
It's like biting into ginger, lemon, and bitterness all at once. All right, let's try this, but I think it's awesome in the peel. The peel and the pit gave aroma to this avocado, and with a bit of salt here, it's even better.
Better?
Well, it's better. I would definitely consider it something like avocado from the air fryer because you add some sriracha sauce to it, some people pour it over. I think it could be great. We use skin, cucumber skin, and yogurt.
But,
Green beans. Wait, grab a thicker one.
hey!
Come on, close your eyes.
Hey, eggs, you make them well. The bean structure is good.
Those tiny ones, like little crabs for girls, I get it. It looks like this, it looks like manure, but it's moist and sweet, close, really tasty, tasty. Cucumber has 0 calories. You munch a bowl of it while watching Netflix.
And just,
You munch on it. I added some salt. Let's try it.
now I don't know if it's sweet water because this cucumber is like a surfer there on the tongue.
It's good, good. It's slippery. It's kind of creamy. The inside doesn't get wet. It gets kind of jelly-like, a bit set. It's sweet. We're trying to stomp it down. I think it'll be pretty good and it'll be hot. Damn.
Boiled zucchini?
Sweet. No, there's no cucumber.
In this, no seeds. But you know what? They're missing spices.
They're a bit like potatoes even, but like under-seasoned potatoes. If a regular cucumber scores 5 out of 10, how many does this one get?
Honestly, that one tasted better. The previous one was salt. So how much does that one get? Well, for me, that one gets like a 6 or 5.
Well, for me, this one gets a 7. It's much tastier than a regular cucumber. And these look a bit like...
Jelly Belly Jelly, cheers. Best to you too.
Yeah, but it's fun to eat because it's loose, like the skin doesn't break and it's whole, like you could give it to a child. Trust us. Make yourself a chip like this. Not sure what to call it for Netflix? Our stuff's ready.
Yeah. Oh, darn, like,
Grab him. They take yours too temporarily.
come on. Whoa, it's a bit like an omelet.
It's good. He added lots of onions. Let's move on and let it fry from the bottom.
Hey, I'm going. Let's go.
Mr. Krzysztof,
Here's a regular cake, right?
and here is a different way of doing things, I guess, right?
Here it's ready.
Wait, maybe we'll cut it. What do you think?
Yeah.
We'll do it so well.
But I'll tell you, it's a bit, I won't say underbaked.
Underbaked, it didn't rise.
Don't you see it's kind of gooey?
You get burnt here and there, but it doesn't bother us at all. Take it away.
Hey, look at this pizza. I'm telling you, it has to be hard. It's standing up.
Damn, it formed a crust on it. I mean, it's not a crispy product. It's more like a warm nighttime world.
For me, it's just an instant waffle.
It tastes like a waffle, but the texture is off. I don't know if it's underbaked. I wouldn't say that completely. It'll disappear because the taste is okay. Yeah, but we know what it could have been. That's really what it's about.
Do you expect Goffer to also drink that cream and eggs in the biscuit? Ooh. I think it's already grown a bit there.
Then you take it out.
Hey, it smells. Those strong spices are obvious. Did someone put effort into this?
Wait, we'll tell you in a moment, but now we're putting in the meat dumplings. All right, that's enough, Kuba. I'm not closing it. Wow, are we really going to eat this?
I don't know, we'll treat it like a crunchy snack. Well, we'll sprinkle it, right? Ooh, wow. Okay, I'm already here, almost ready. Hold on.
And what about those spices?
I'll pour it on.
All right, I have a trick. We'll have it with cream and we'll have it because that's good too. Oh, make nachos with olives. Even here, they're great.
They're giving more suggestions? I'll spread it on them. Jesus, Martin, I really like things like that.
All right, Krzychu, you're adding sugar, right? Yeah. I added salt. Okay.
I'll risk it. Hey, you.
How fluffy. Oh, and it doesn't come out of the pan like that.
Hey, it's like I had a lot of potatoes in the mix.
But it's too thick.
It's even too thick, but it's good. But good, hey, good. This is a good product. Seriously? Uh-huh.
Let's try it with the sauce, with the spotted one. Oh, damn.
All right, but it's good.
This is a different story. Party finger food. Here, the warm cheese creates a kind of cream, like heavy cream. And a bit of care.
I really like the taste of this.
But Wachati is a game changer.
Here, you have the cream.
Unfortunately, I have the thick one, this natural yogurt, not bad, sir.
It's good.
Damn, this is better than potato seeds. I think there was cake, this is the middle. I don't know which one is better, and our two other dishes.
Yeah, this is for me. We ate this at a restaurant because I never ate it like this before, and it's delicious to me. And this one feels homemade to me. Meat with mine.
Which one should I make for you, or both? Listen, it's delicious. And the fact that it's not so crunchy, not so oniony and greasy, makes it a kind of carrier. It's more like a cake, something moist, rather than a classic pancake. But at the same time, it still leaves you thinking in the end that it's a pancake. But there's a vibe, a feeling, all those English words. Mood, vibe, it's just brilliant. It was brilliant with sugar and with this WhatsApp too. What's going to happen there? I think they're going to turn into little balls that they're stuck together and have air inside, and that air will turn them into little balloons. About kayaks. They grew and boiled over. Wait, that's steam. Don't say they didn't thaw or are still frozen, but the meat is cooking them. So this is our pie, and I'm heading out. Better than usual. All right, but do you feel how spicy it is? I feel like they're going to blow our heads off. It's not good, crush show, but the skull is burning hot. I would say it's good. Well, the bun, a cheap bun, it's just missing some salt, but the meat is delicious. Where's yours? That's exactly how I feel, that someone reminds me of this meat, but what does it remind me of? Kochu always brings it up, meat. The meat is great, but the bun is tough to chew. It's really good, but you always have issues with things like this. Unfortunately, it reminds me of a Kaiser roll from Żabka, like the lady put it in and it's like, there's a crust and it's empty inside. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I'll be honest with you. Another dish was created. Salt. Now you have a delicious fresh roll, but the spices. It would be like puff pastry, but bread. Yes, exactly like puff pastry for making bread skin. Right away, I give this a 7.5, but since it's something different, I'll give it an 8 because it surprised me. I expected this result, but didn't know I'd get mini meat buns. I'd rate it 8, but because of me, I'll say 7.5. Oh, I wanted to say I don't want to surprise you, but nothing will come of it. Paprikoa, I wasn't convinced, but it looks good. Go for it. The smell is overwhelming. Plasticky and salty, but overcooked. Still delicious. That man came to my mind. Maybe salty, but at least burnt. Salty, but burnt. Jesus, how delicious. Yeah. Oh, come on. Nutty, sunflower. Yes, it's sunflower. It's roasted for a salad where it already has seasoning, already has flavor. It's that sunflower roasted nut. Like from a pan, it would change the salad differently. I'd try it again, but I wouldn't overeat, and I'll be honest with you. I thought, damn, Krzysiu, this meal was ruined and nothing would come of it, but that's not true. And it really is burnt. I mean, it is burnt, but there's potential in it. Really, if I'm finishing what fell out of your mouth, it means it's good. So let me try yours. We're cleaning up the pieces of what we think was good. We give it to Primoz, and after Primoz, a summary, which of course, Primoz, there's nothing here. Exactly, that's right, because you said you threw it away. For Primoz, everything is like that, but not really. He said it's one little trash can, so it would be warm. We wanted it warm for you, but now you'll need to turn around so you don't see. All right, I'll take it out. Just turn around a bit. You viewers have already seen it, and we'll start in the same order as we started before. Yeah, I'm just turning around. Oh, baked avocado tastes like a potato to me. Well, bravo, so it's exactly the same, so you didn't like it before, but now you could eat it.
Yeah, I could eat it now. Do you want some salt? Salt for the potato?
Go ahead. I have a favor to ask you. Since we don't wash, we'll move over there by that one and we'll keep moving forward.
Here you go, potato with salt. It's going to be brilliant.
Yeah, that's the one dug up at 3 in the morning. You know, well, it's a potato, so it's potato like, wait, one more, don't eat yet. Listen, because we ate it with sriracha, but someone took the sriracha, so I know you here. Great, same here, but you said I haven't eaten anything raw, and this goes down easy. Go for it. How is it going down for him? Good, really. Here's a question for you. Better avocado, regular, or definitely this one? And is it awesome? And what does it give you? What do you have? What do you feel? What does it give you? What do you have? What do you feel?
It tasted a bit bitter, like the burnt version, a bit here.
You'll feel this one. Leek, I don't want to give you a hint. No, I don't want to give you a hint because you'll have 3 different vegetables, so you'll tell me number 2 right away.
Well then, Gurkenschale. That's it. But look, eat. Think about what you're eating and what you have. Is this zucchini? Yes. Don't say that it's zucchini and it turned from a cucumber. That's not right. One at a time.
What do you think, Przemek? Any ideas? I'm clueless.
I thought you peeled a leek and maybe, okay, that's a cucumber and this is zucchini, but it tastes the same.
It's all just cucumber, peeled, unpeeled. They're still cucumbers unless the skin's the best part. All right, Primoz. If you like sweets, I'll start with this one. No, the other one. I won't tell you about it, but just take a bite yourself. If you bought it, you bought it. It's ours, we've got it. It's poured, deep, delicate, fluffy. It's good to say that too, but your rice is stuffed. I really like the taste. We salted it as well. I'll eat it like this, but I've never had it with cheese before. This rice is tasty, the best.
Oh, you can't do the whole thing.
I could feel your gaze on my back.
All right, let's keep going. I highly recommend it. Thanks. All right, that works out well. That works out well. Give me something. The sugar was here. Jesus Mary, what is this? Let's just say nobody knows what cake smells like. Nice crispy crust here at the edge, here at the edge. It's so crunchy. Show me. Waffle batter, so the crust is like from a waffle. That's why it has those little grids. And when it's spread all over, it turns into a kind of bread with some crust. All right. It could be. It's edible. Now be careful. Knock on your buddy. Cut it yourself because you'll see it with the knife.
Oh damn, like some kind of surprise. Hey Zarechka, what is this? What do you think?
I don't know. Meat dumplings. Look, if you had bread, no, this is something else. Actually, this dish has changed its form. It's not a dumpling. We never do it like this, but take this piece and I'll show you something. Hey. I thought it was scorpions, but it was better. Oh, scorpions, that's what it would be. Place a slice of yellow cheese on each. Once baked, everything transforms into something new. Have you ever made a salad with instant noodles? Yeah. Okay, so guess what this is? Ooh, what could it be? Lettuce? But look, but look how it changed color. It's crazy. It looks like granola. Hey, okay, great. But it's savory. It's missing either some sweetness or something else. Yeah, that's salt. But as a longer crouton, it might work as a topping, not for a salad.
Exactly, because on its own, it's not really ideal for me.
It's over roasted, kind of baked, but because of that, you don't really taste that fried sunflower flavor, you know? Sunflower seeds have that nutty taste. Yeah, that's what Marcin thought. The toast is kind of burnt, right? It was good in a small amount, especially as a topping. I can really taste the burnt bread crust here. Awesome. No, there wasn't a real Wobaben, right? But Wobabens are in our book. Nothing is lost. Primoz, thanks for testing. Thanks. Oh, sorry. Oh, thank you. I hope I have properly replaced Staba. Greetings to Staba. Staba will come back to us. But now a few episodes will be with this team because we decided what we can do. Just on vacation absence, that's it. On vacation, Staba, get some rest. His back gave out, get some rest. And new stuntmen are growing while you're on vacation. Thanks for today, bye. We do this so everyone fears taking vacations since you might not return.